All right, so let's switch gears a little bit and talk about Halo Vista. It's pretty hard to be out there, so we didn't go on location. Let's just touch on this though.
Sure.
I feel like we're at, somewhere in a big city, not just in Norterra. Like, look at this, right?
Yeah. Well, we are in a big city, the 5th largest city, and I'm almost positive now we're the largest county. I think Cook County was big for one point. Now we're Maricopa County is the biggest. But I mean, honestly, this is what was intended for Phoenix, is for growth. And then all we needed was the jobs. And really we have everything else other than a few months of heat.
Yeah. So explain a little bit about Halo Vista. And I do know that there was a little bit of controversy, which, sounds like
we're past that.
We're past that.
Yeah. So, and I do want to say that, I mean, I sit on the North Gateway Village Board. I was not the chair when that case came to us, but now I am the newly elected chair. I feel bad because in most cases when development happens, somebody's going to lose and somebody's going to win. And, Stetson Hills and Stetson Valley was very, very boisterous about the case. It's going to obviously increase traffic going through there. And anybody listening from those two areas, we feel for you and we feel bad that this has moved forward. But I will say it was coming regardless, and when no one really could stop that because of how massive this development is. But that case did get approved by the village in October, and then it was passed by the city council in December. They are going to move forward, probably moving dirt in the next few months. Somewhere between 12 to 15,000 homes in NorthPark, and another semiconductor plant that TSMC will have in that location as well. But with that, this is the good side of it. There'll be a school, high school there. There'll be a fire station there, most likely a police station there. So those things will come into this new subdivision,
right?
And it promotes growth for that entire North Valley, which is going to be terribly needed if these people begin to show up here and there's only going to be apartments available.
Yeah.
So I like I said, I feel bad, but I also know this is going to be exponential over the next 10 years for the North Valley.
So do you know anything about the 303 and how far you've seen that back up on I-17? What do you know?
I do know
what's happening there to alleviate some of that? Maybe people go that way versus
through. Well, the greatest resource you can go to is the ADOT website. There's actually an active video that you can see on how that all transforms. But what I can tell you is it won't look like what it is right now.
Right.
That will be 6 lanes on both sides, eventually maybe even bigger. Those arteries that go in between Stetson Hills and Stetson Valley will come into NorthPark and eventually will come to 303. So that alleviates a lot of the traffic flow. But as you move through those areas, through the I-17, the 303, even the 74 will be 6 lanes. All these areas become massive highways. The only disappointing thing that I've already been told that won't happen is the 303 will not extend out to Cave Creek anytime soon, which I believe that is an artery that we need, especially if that turns into more development.
Right.
But as of right now, I've heard nothing on lines for that.
And there is more development going in east there on that Sonoran Desert Drive.
That is correct. So most people don't realize, but everybody's concerned about water. There is a water treatment plant proposed for the southeast corner of the I-17 and 303. It may take a few years to build. It'll sit next to the transfer station and it will take up all that land. But the hub that they've always talked about being from either somewhere in Anthem and all the way down, now will go in, and that will be absolutely amazing for all the developments that come in at this point. But like I always say, just watch and see the vacant land, because eventually it will all be developed. Yeah.
Okay.
So,
any other little insider tidbits that you want to share with us?
Sure. I mean, I have close connections through the board that I heard Vestar went to auction, and they're going to be opening up their retail, which is Carefree Highway and the 17, and then the piece along the frontage road south of the hospital.
Okay.
Just more retail, everything we can think of.
Car dealerships?
So the car dealership's in a different area now.
Okay.
My friends at Dorito Properties, I love Marty to death over there, and Paul Serafin. They are doing their work, which would be on the southwest corner of the I-17 and Carefree Highway.
Okay.
I've heard, and it's not set in stone, but I've heard like 5 dealerships will go in that area. And so that'll be all lit up and you'll see that for miles. But it used to be the auto mall was going to be on Dove Valley Road, just south of Fry's. That got nixed years ago, and now it's been moved over across the road.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Yeah, wow. Lots. I mean, we're going to have to fast forward this 5 years and then, you know, show all the development, because it sounds like it's just going to be unrecognizable.
Well,
in the area.
It's funny that we talk about the north part, but we're in talks with a group right now through my company to develop 2 more pieces in Vistancia for retail. And then obviously everything that merges in between those two, from this semiconductor plant to that area. And I see that absorbing, I mean, quicker than we think. I
have a listing in Vistancia too.
Yeah, great area.
That
I'd love to buy a
hasn't,
house there.
Yeah, I like that area a lot. For me, I just wanted to be a little closer to being able to get over to Scottsdale, get downtown quickly. I like the proximity of, you know, where Norterra is a lot. But yeah, Vistancia has been a little bit slow. So
it's
hopefully
come
with some more of that development, I think it's going to come out of the gates too.
Yeah, I would say predicting probably 2 to 3, 4 years. You'll start seeing a lot of those pieces start development and start to move into retail, multifamily housing, things like that.
Okay. And one more thing, Trader Joe's. Every time we post something about Trader Joe's, people just go crazy. So is it true that, as far as you know, that there is one going in at Desert Ridge?
That is correct. In the Joann's building.
Okay.
Yeah, over there. That's probably far enough away for their corporate to be able to put another one in. And Desert Ridge is just as big as this will ever be up here, or if not bigger.
Right,
so,
right. So the other one that is slated for closer to this area is going to be where? Near Halo Vista?
In Halo Vista.
In Halo Vista. Okay.
I would say 2 to 3 years, 4 years from now.
And Halo Vista, just for reference, is just west of the 17.
Correct.
And sort of west
Dove Valley
also,
splits it right in half on both sides.
Okay, okay.
And that will be a major, major development. So Costco, I've heard Target, and then Hobby Lobby is another one that's coming in too. So
it's all coming.
And that's just the ones we know about. There'll be so much more.
Well, we'll keep doing updates.
I love it. We can do that all the time if you want.
We'll do it.